Lefty bearing reset. With fork secured, release air from the main air chamber. Using a 1.5 mm Allen wrench, loosen, then remove the rebound knob. Using a 10 mm deep well socket and wrench, remove the 10 mm lock nut located above the lockout lever. Lift up on the lockout lever to remove. Using Shimano tool TL-FC32, loosen and remove the outer collar. Compress the telescope to expose the cartridge top cap and two split rings. Remove the two split rings. Remove the top cap seal. And measure from the top edge of the outer tube to the bottom edge of the spindle. Compare the measurement to the number listed in the owner's manual supplement. The following table is a summary of the ideal lengths. If the measured length is equal to the published ideal length, bearing migration has not occurred. Proceed to the reassembly steps. If the measured length is less than the published ideal length, bearing migration has occurred. A bearing reset must be performed to correct. Forcefully extend the outer telescope 3 to 4 times. Fully extend the telescope again and measure from the top edge of the outer tube to the bottom edge of the spindle to find the new measured length. Repeat this process until the measured length is equal to the published ideal length. Compress telescope and install the two split rings. Extend the telescope and make sure the two split rings are fully seated. Install the top cap seal. Using Shimano tool TL-FC32, tighten the outer collar an additional 1/4 turn to reach 28 Nm. Install the lockout lever. Start installation of the 10 mm lock nut by hand. Using a 10 mm deep well socket and torque wrench, tighten the 10 mm lock nut to 5 Nm. Check the action of the lockout lever. Start installation of the rebound knob by lining up the set screw with the flat on the tuning shaft. With the rebound knob fully seated, tighten the set screw to 2 Nm. Check that the rebound turns properly and that the detent clicks are in place. Add air to the main air chamber and replace the Schrader cap.